as and when everyone got their admits from UF, there was already a group created that was one UF in general, that there were people from different streams. One was UF and CS, and one was a girls group. So constantly all these subgroups keep happening. And coincidentally, I just happened to find another girl from Mumbai, and we were looking for roommates. So we just got a girl from Hyderabad, and we were like, okay, fine, let's just go ahead and find a fourth one, so we could just book an apartment. But luckily, I got contacted from a senior who was looking for exactly three people in the house. So that's how I got lucky in finding a house. So we did not have to fall in the process of filling out the forms or doing anything too excessive. I was fortunate enough that my uncle was actually there in Gainesville to pick me up from the airport, get me home, drive me home, set me up, take me to Walmart, take me to mattress firm, get me a mattress on the hood of the car. So all of that was pretty easy for me, but all these things were not as easy for my other, my classmates who came with me. Okay. So there were two orientations. One was for all the students who were admitted in UF. So it was nice. It was good to know about UF because immediately after the general orientation, you go out to the exhibition and learn about the different departments in the university, be it the counseling services. After that, we did have our department orientation. So since I'm from computer science, we had our own orientation, and that was definitely very helpful, more helpful than the previous one, of course. So in fall 16, when I joined in, there were a lot of Indians, like a lot of us, around 250 easily, because I remember the WhatsApp group was full and there was another group formed. There were that many students, and it was just us Indians now. Now there are more Chinese, Japanese, Singapore, students from Singapore, and definitely some Americans, very handful Americans. It highly depends on the courses that you've taken. Highly depends on that. The only nights where I did sleep less or slept late or whatever was when there was a project due or something and a lot of work was left at the last moment. Other than that, I did not feel that it was very stressful for me. So you'll have Walmart, you'll even have Publix in Butler Plaza. Publix is another, it's like Big Bazaar basically. And you'll have Trader Joe's and all other good branded but like decent enough stores that you would definitely want to go and get your groceries from, or ready to cook packages. And since you have India Bazaar, you basically get every necessary Indian things, like you get kurkure, you get lease. So I'm staying in a 3 BHK and I'm sharing my room. My rent is just $170 a month. That is
Okay.
very cheap. And but utilities are separate, so $15. So we are 5 girls, that's why it's get divided amongst the 5 of us. So it's $15 for Wi-Fi. The other utilities like water and electricity can be a little pricey, and it can go somewhere between $60 to $80 a month. But overall, all these living expenses cost less than $300 for sure.